Good morning, y'all. I am on my way to work. I'm late as ever. I did not sleep good last night. I should have. Every time I get into bed at every time I get into bed at like a good time, or I'm doing good on time, or whatever, I still don't ever get no rest. But yeah, I'm gonna pretty much bring y'all to work with me today. Show y'all what I do at work. It's pretty cool, honestly. It's nice being at the source of certain things, especially when you weren't always at the source of where it starts. Working in the hospital, y'all, these fall colors are so freaking pretty, like so pretty. I'm gonna show y'all some. I might insert them before this clip. But y'all, just come on here to tell y'all good morning. Buenos dias, chica. What is that? Who got that cardboard in the middle of the road? That don't make no doggone sense. I'm sorry, y'all. It's too early for this bull crap. But wish I was out walking. I should have got up this early on my days off so I could just went for a walk. I got to get back on my stuff and stay on it because it's what I want. Put me first. Self-love, health is wealth. Take care of my body because it's the only one I got. Y'all, these leaves are falling extra hard this morning. What in the world? Jeez, there ain't that much wind blowing. My God. But y'all, today's Friday, and I have to work the whole freaking weekend. I have to work Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Which is okay, because I'm off the next weekend. I better be off Thanksgiving, too. I better be. Because I'm going home, regardless, to see my family. But yeah, y'all, I'm finna get to this place of work. Give me a cup of coffee because Lord knows I need it right now. I'm on my skin and my under eye, like, even though I only got like what, maybe 2 hours of sleep, baby. The skin is skinning. I put that mask on it. I put the mask serum on it this morning. And the glow stuff. Honey. Can't tell me nothing. But, yeah, y'all. I'm about to pull up at my job in about 3 minutes. So, y'all see some more things later on today. Let me show you. Look, y'all, look at these leaves. Hold on. Well, never mind. They stopped. As soon as I turn the camera around, they want to stop. But I'll talk to y'all later. Later, babes. Hey y'all, I figured I'd come back on here and just vlog a little bit. Even though I'm still not doing nothing. I haven't forgot about y'all when it comes to me taking y'all to work. It's just we've been mad busy. I ain't been able to have my phone out. None. Right now I'm just pretty much cooking me something healthy. because I am on a weight loss journey, just trying to get back fit, trying to get back to my, just taking care of me, pretty much, putting me first. Not too long ago, got home from work. I'm sitting here watching The Oval by Tyler Perry. Y'all, if y'all haven't watched that, I recommend it. Please watch it. Watch it. Go watch it, y'all. You will not be mad at me for putting you on. It's really good. No, I'm drinking my favorite drink. So y'all, I'm really not doing anything right now. Cooking me something to eat. Let me show y'all. It's just a broccoli slaw with steak, little steak bites, and I put onions and mint garlic in there. But just really needed something light. But I hope y'all been doing well. Hope y'all taking this life thing day by day. Sorry, my TV is loud, but it's good. But yeah, y'all, that's all I got going on right now. Not much, child. This is mostly what my life consists of. Work, coming home, go to sleep, repeat. That's it. When I do, y'all, this show is crazy. This show is crazy. Y'all, if y'all haven't watched Tyler Perry's The Oval, please go watch it. You will not be disappointed, child. Oh Lord, I don't want to say out too much. Chef Stasha clocking in. Woo-hoo-hoo. That's fine. Shoot. Yeah. When I do, y'all, but make sure y'all leave a comment. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Welcome to those who are new here. I am just starting my channel, so all of y'all are going to be new. But those of y'all who don't know me, welcome, welcome. I'm just here. I'm going to just pretty much be doing some vlogging, some everyday life things, some extravaganza every now and then. Yeah. Hope y'all like it, tune in, tell your mamas, your aunties, your uncles, and come subscribe to my channel. I'm ready. that face. I think that's what I'm gonna call y'all. Hi, babes. I don't know. I don't know yet. I might not. She's trying to make you jealous, girl. Duh. They ain't even sleep together. Not recent, not lately anyway. That's good, Chad. I wanted a little more spicy. Red pepper. Feels like I'm running out of time. Gotta get yours, I gotta get mine. Nothing is yours to run to. I just hope that you really will do. That's the intro song to that show, y'all. I gotta rewind that. I gotta see what he said to get her off his team. Okay, this is done. I done cut it out. Woo! Bless me, Lord. I already don't do onions like that, but I've been doing good. I've been changing for the better. So this little meal, y'all see with onions in them. Baby, that's my family. And my friends, they know I don't do onions, but now I've grown, baby, into just what's good for me. I'm gonna give y'all a view of my plate. For 2 more meals. Take some lunch more. Sorry about that. This is my plate. Yeah. Good and healthy. Good and healthy. Don't mind my juice, child. Late from work. Hefty. I'm working on getting me some glass bowls. Listen to him, Jason. Listen to him, Jason, baby. Because your parents trying to kill you. Meal portion, child. Meal portion.
How do you know? Jason, look at me. Please, come with me right now, okay? Okay? You promise you're gonna look at me? Yes, put the gun down. Hold the gun. Yes. I'm here to help you. Okay? Damn it, Jason. We gotta go. Give me the gun. Don't say anything. Just give me the gun, okay? I don't want to go back to that shack. It's safe, okay? Okay, but I'm not going back to that shack. Well, let's talk about it. Let's just talk about it. Now, give me the gun. Please. Okay, give me the gun. Give me the gun. Give me the gun. Okay.
Give him the freaking gun, Jason!
You gotta go. Come on.
Stupid.
Should be moving ahead.
Yeah, what be wrong with these people? I know it's just a movie, but I know I ain't the only one that be in them like that. Ooh, that's spicy. I tasted it. Ouch. Ouch.
Well, how is it?
It hurt, y'all. I feel like I pulled a muscle or something. Child.
Thanks. I'm just
Got meal for 2 days. Check. I'm gonna start meal prepping soon though. I got it too.
Bobby, answer the phone.
Bobby, answer the phone. Stupid. Max, answer the phone.
Max, Miss Carter speaking. Max.
Hey Max, I need to talk to Bobby.
Yes, right here. No, I'm not. What'd you say? You're not talking to her? But why, Bobby? You son of a bitch. There you go. Don't. What?
I've been trying to reach you.
I know.
I really need to talk to you.
Why? You made your choice.
No, I didn't.
Lily, you told me I couldn't take care of you.
Bobby, you have to listen very carefully right now, okay?
No, I don't.
I can't leave.
I get it now. Now don't ever call me again.
Hi, Bobby. Don't do this right now. This is a stressful moment, okay?
Really? What the hell do you think I'm doing?
Bobby,
I put my life on the line for you, Lily.
okay, I know.
I came in that house to get you. They could have killed my ass.
I know.
And you wouldn't leave with me.
He is threatening my family, Bobby.
Don't give me that bullshit.
It's true.
Lily, if you wanted to leave, you would have left. I can't help you.
No, you can't.
So you down and done.
Bobby, I know how powerful he is, okay?
So you tell me to go to hell instead.
No, that's not it.
I gotta go.
Bobby,
The vice president is coming, all right? I have to go.
Bobby, I need your help.
Alright, y'all.
Protect my family.
So,
Bye, Lily.
When you call me, I need you to help me protect my family. family.
I guess I'll talk to y'all tomorrow because after this I'm about to get my baby bed shower. Good night, babes.
Said something like, he was like, yeah, I was worried I wasn't gonna be able to talk to you today. And I was like,
How come?
Lashes is good though, girl. Yeah. Jonathan. Here you go.
Have you turned towards me? You ready?
Squeeze my hand.
Yeah, you ready?
yeah.
You did so good. You did so good.
I'm about to give y'all a Target haul because I'm sure y'all just see me at Target. And I'm going to just show y'all the things that I got from Target. Because who don't love a good Target haul, right? Alright. So, first thing I got is a tripod. Bingo. Which is what I have you guys on now as we're speaking. It's a smartphone and it does smartphone, GoPros, and a camera adapter tripod. So if you want to, you know, not too expensive tripod, you're trying to be on your content stuff, babe, there you go. Target. Hit them up. Hit them up. Alright, what's next? Y'all, it's pouring outside, so my bags are soaked and wet. So next I have some oat milk here. I am on my journey to becoming vegan. So I have got me some oat milk. I also got some VO Life 100% vegan American sandwich cheese slices. So I'm gonna keep y'all updated and let y'all know how those are. And also I got some Beyond Burger plant-based patties. And I'm gonna also let y'all know how those are. I'm gonna go ahead and put these in there. Put it in my freezer, babe. Alright. Next. What else did I get? So I got this like aesthetically pleasing like notepad, little notepad thing. It's cute or whatever. I'm gonna definitely use it. Y'all gonna see. It's gonna get the job done. I also got this little funnel for like drinks and cups and things like that. That's cute. It goes with my kitchen. I re-upped on my oil that I use. Get on it, babes. Love this oil. Have you smelling real good. I got my vitamin C shea body butter that I usually use. I also got me another sugar scrub from Tree Hut. I love theirs. I wanted the vitamin C one, but they was out. Got me some grease for my hair. And I got some got to be for my hair. Because I want to try to do some ponytails. And we're going to see how it goes. Go ahead and put this in the... Does this have a... Watch. Sorry, y'all. Alright. Oh, I didn't even empty that one yet. Okay. Hold on. What else we got? What else we got? So I got some chive and onion cream cheese to go with the bagels I got. I also got some Earth Balance original butter spread vegan. So I'm going to see how that is and I'll let you guys know. Got me some peanut butter, some jelly, some mouthwash, something that I didn't need. Which was a Reese's. I've never tried that one before. Y'all probably like, I thought you said you was trying to go vegan. I am, but it's not gonna happen overnight, you know. I actually ate a vegan meal today on my break. I went to this vegan restaurant called Pure Soul. It was good. I just finished it. Not too long ago, maybe 20 minutes ago. Paper towels, just me here, so I don't have to buy much. Got me some new wax. Waxes to put on my candle warmer, wax warmer. I meant. These smell really good. Washing powder. This is the only one I use. Well, I use this one in the original Persil. You use that, baby. You don't need no softener, no nothing. Aluminum foil. Some more washing powder. Wash detergent. Almost done. Almost done. Some bread. Honey wheat. Some everything bagels. I got this little organizer here for my bathroom. That's gonna look real nice. Real nice. Can't wait to put that in there. Also got some toilet tissue. Only thing I use is Angel Soft, baby. That's it. I got a bra for a perk of these. These. I tripped myself out, boy. I got this hoodie. This is my sister's for her birthday. One of the things I'm getting her for her birthday. She picked it out too. I had a FaceTime her. Cause y'all, I don't play by my money. And when I say that, I mean I don't want to buy nothing and then not gonna like it and be ungrateful. So I had to make sure she liked it. So that's how she know. And I got me a little night outfit. So excited to put this on tonight. I love wearing new stuff. Love it. All right, y'all. That concludes my Target haul. Now I'm gonna go put everything up. And I will see you guys another time. Bye. Y'all, I know I said I was done with my Target haul, but I forgot to show y'all something. I got this huge vase. Huge flower vase. Isn't it the cutest? Like it has this little tint to it. Yeah. It's dirty, so I got to wash it. But I needed a flower vase so I can start putting my flowers up. And that was the only one that caught my eye in Target. And I'm very picky. So, paid a good $30 for it. Sure did. And, girls, if you don't do nothing else, buy yourself some flowers, okay? I'm going to put these in that vase. And I'm going to show y'all how I set it up. It's going to look real nice. Real nice. Real nice. But those are the last two things I got from Target. Make sure I don't forget anything. But yeah, y'all. Bye. Thumbnail.